Good morning. It's Tuesday, 21st May 2024. This is Tuaran Morning News. I'm Edena Putri. Here is your morning news update. The decade-old practice of Sagit, a traditional form of penalty as well as fine in Sabah, multi-ethnic society traces race and religion. Kota Kinabalu Native Court Chief Roger Maylin Impao said that Sagit is an age-old practice that has been passed down for generations. It is to uphold native laws that are very much important and significant to the native of Sabah, he said at a recent online seminar entitled Sagit, the evolution of Sagit within the Garasan Dusun communities in Sabah. The seminar was organized by the University Malaysia Sabah, UMS, Faculty of Social Science and Humanities. Roger said, it aimed at keeping peace, solving conflicts, and calming tensions apart from just penalizing one for native laws. He said, the youth today feel that Sagit is outdated way of living, but they have no choice but to abide and respect native laws. You break a native law, you pay for it, and Sagit has to be given. The Nampa Native Court Chief, Viola Giluk Dompok, stressed that Sagit is a penalty and fine based on native teachings and understandings and has nothing to do with race or religion. She said, anything that involves the native and their laws must be upheld and dealt with according to native laws that are different in every village, district, and ethnic group. Viola said, for the younger generation, they have very little knowledge about Sagit because the norm nowadays mainly involves native rules and regulation when it comes to engagements and marriage between native folks. According to event organizer, Dr. Tracy Marjorie Tangit said, the program was aimed at raising awareness on Sabah unique cultures and traditions and at the same time to impart this knowledge to students. That's for Tuaran Morning News. Thanks for watching. Have a pleasant day today.